well, welcome back to my channel, girl. If you're new here, my name is Ashton. I do lifestyle, perfume, and beauty content. But for my returning bestie, hey girl, what you doing? What's tea? As y'all can tell, girl, we are doing a clean with me. As y'all can tell by the thumbnail, girl, my room is so freaking dirty. You know, my room is usually not this dirty, but I kind of let it powder because this week has been a fun weekend. Cause we have been doing stuff literally every single day, bestie. So yeah, and bestie, do not mind my shirt, girl, because I just got back from trying this new coffee place and that wasted on my shirt, girl. But we need to clean this whole space up. It's like, y'all see, we got my tripod, we got that tripod. It's dirty right there. I got a Bath and Body Works haul to do, so that gotta stay somewhere. And then we need to wash our sheets. I just need to clean up because my room is a mess. Start with my bedding first, cause we're gonna put this stuff up. So we just got back from Atlanta, girl, and my room has kind of been a little. So basically, we just washed the sheets, girl. Those are inside the washer now, and I put some clothes inside and that I gotta wash after. We're going to start with the shoes. See, we just got done cleaning up the little closet area. It's time to clean up this area. See, as y'all can tell, girl, this side is the junkiest side ever. So we're going to get to cleaning this side first. So we are going to clean out this drawer. We're going to get started on this drawer, girl. And girl, I was walking right and I forgot to see this. So I pushed my feet down and now it barely goes in and out. So yeah, but it still, works. So yeah. Bestie, so now it's time to clean this part. So we're gonna put my ring right there. girl is officially clean, girl. But girl, I hope you enjoyed this video, girl. If you like and subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts a new video. And girl, I love you so much, bestie. And until the next video, bye, bestie.